Welcome back to Ask Dr. Schulman. Today's question is about liposuction. People want to know, if I get liposuction, will it make me gain weight in strange places? This is a really common question. People seem to think that if you have an area of your body suctioned with liposuction and the fat removed, that when you gain weight, it's going to go to all sorts of weird places. That's sort of true, but not entirely. Basically, what happens with liposuction is we remove fat cells. So those fat cells are gone, they're no longer there. But when you gain and lose weight, you don't multiply or lose fat cells. The fat cells you have just get bigger when you gain weight, or they shrink when you lose weight. What that means is when I do liposuction on you and then you gain weight, it probably won't go to the place you had liposuction. So yes, you will gain weight other places, but it's not going to do anything weird. You're not going to grow all this fat on your arm or something strange on your head. It just means that the fat's got to go somewhere. So when you have liposuction and then you gain weight later, the fat's got to go somewhere, and it usually doesn't go to the place you had liposuction. This is why it's important after liposuction to maintain a healthy lifestyle so that you can maintain the results that your surgeon helped you achieve.